Welcome back to Sudden Urge Kitchen, where we turn cravings into something delicious without making life complicated. Today we're making one skillet of Cajun cauliflower rice that turns into 2 easy meals. If you enjoy simple shortcut recipes like this one, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming next. Start by dicing 1 orange bell pepper and about half of a yellow onion. My Fullstar chopper makes quick work of both, and I will link it in the description for you. Heat about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once it's hot, add the peppers and onions and cook until they've softened. Next, add 2 bags of thawed cauliflower rice. Give everything a good stir and let it cook for several minutes so the cauliflower heats through and any excess moisture cooks away. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then add Cajun seasoning to your liking. Since Cajun blends can vary, start with a little and adjust to your liking. Fold in half a can of drained and rinsed Great Northern beans and let everything cook together for another minute or 2. At this point, you've got a delicious vegan version. I like to set about half aside before turning the rest into a chicken version. To the remaining cauliflower rice, add half a pound of cooked ground chicken. Mine was simply seasoned with salt and pepper, so I sprinkled in a little more Cajun seasoning to wake everything up. Stir until the chicken is heated through. Now you've got 2 easy meals from one pan, a flavorful vegan bowl and a protein-packed chicken version. I hope this gives you a little inspiration for the next time a Cajun craving sneaks up on you. Thanks so much for watching. When the craving hits, we make it happen.